Welcome to Car Updater, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we dive into the remarkable 2025 Lamborghini Huracan EVO, a masterpiece that takes performance and design to new heights. This supercar exemplifies Lamborghini's relentless pursuit of perfection and innovation. Under the hood, the Huracan EVO boasts a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine that produces an impressive 640 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. This power is delivered to all four wheels through a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, ensuring superior traction and control in every driving condition. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and reaches a top speed of over 202 miles per hour. The engine's roar is pure symphony for car enthusiasts, embodying Lamborghini's signature performance ethos. The Huracan EVO is equipped with cutting-edge aerodynamics that enhance stability and reduce drag. Its dynamic steering and the Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata system work seamlessly to adapt to the road and driving style, offering unparalleled precision and agility. The car's lightweight chassis, made from aluminum and carbon fiber, ensures optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Inside the cabin, luxury meets technology. The interior is wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather with customizable options to suit personal tastes. The 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system is the command center, offering navigation, media controls, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. A state-of-the-art telemetry system allows drivers to monitor performance metrics, adding a racing feel to the experience. Advanced driver assistance systems like parking sensors and cameras provide additional convenience, a rare blend of practicality in a supercar. The exterior design is nothing short of breathtaking. The sharp lines, aerodynamic contours, and aggressive front fascia create a commanding presence on the road. Signature Y-shaped LED headlights and hexagonal exhaust tips enhance its futuristic aesthetic. With multiple customization options, owners can personalize their Huracan EVO to reflect their unique style. Safety has not been overlooked, as the car features carbon ceramic brakes for exceptional stopping power, stability control, and multiple airbags to ensure a secure driving experience. Despite its track-ready capabilities, the Huracan EVO is surprisingly easy to handle, making it suitable for both the race track and city streets. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan EVO is a testament to Lamborghini's legacy of delivering high performance, luxury, and innovation in one exceptional package. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a collector, or someone who appreciates automotive art, this supercar is a dream come true. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news, reviews, and features, don't forget to subscribe to Car Updater. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Your support keeps us bringing the best in the world of cars directly to you.